Hi, my name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little video that I'm making today. It's to accompany my Etsy listing. It's for this rather lovely shamanic drum just here. It's an 18-inch horse skin shamanic drum. It's on a willow wood frame. As you can see, it's got the hair left on the drum here. If I turn it over, you can see we have a beautiful handle. Now this is a silver birch root branch handle, if that makes sense, which is rather beautiful and quite sacred. The frame is willow wood, and I've actually burnt some information in there, put my maker's mark. I put horse skin and willow wood, and I put the date when the drum was birthed, which was the 15th of October in Nottingham Parish, UK. The purpose of the video really is to have a listen to the sound. So I'm going to play for you now. I'm going to play with a soft beater and a firmer beater, both of which are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this to be yours. This is a firmer beater, so we'll start with that one. Here we go. Beautiful. Okay, let's have a look at the softer beater. Here we go. Beautiful. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.